If you want to dodge Galaxy S24 rumors and spoilers, you just have a few more days since Samsung's next Unpacked unveiling event is less than 5 days away. However, for those who want to know everything as soon as can, information about the upcoming flagship is being verified practically every day, providing additional insights into what to anticipate, much as recent days today deliver more information about the Galaxy S24 series. New official marketing photos from Samsung have been leaked online, this time via Android News. This recent leak is especially noteworthy for people who are interested about the artificial intelligence capabilities in the Galaxy S24 series, since it illustrates how artificial intelligence will be utilized for photo editing in these new smartphones. It has already been stated that the Galaxy S24 series would include capabilities such as deleting and repositioning objects in photos. This is seen in one of the leaked images where a photo of a BMX rider riding up a ramp is altered using artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is utilized to lift the rider higher in the air than their initial location when the photo was taken. Not only will you be able to move objects in photos with the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series, but you'll also be able to downsize and rotate them. This was presented in an official advertising film for the upcoming unpacking event. However, it is yet unclear how flawless the final modified photos will be. Creating artificial data to replace the area where objects were initially may be difficult. While advertising materials often portray ideal outcomes, the actual performance of artificial intelligence in photo or video modification might differ in real-world settings. The most recent leak also provides further information regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera specs. This upcoming model will contain a 200-megapixel main camera capable of shooting 2x zoom photographs without sacrificing quality, as well as 2 telephoto lenses, a 10-megapixel lens for 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel lens for 5x optical zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.